Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to change photo on keyboard. Friends, you want to change photo on your keyboard. Friends, you have set it any photos on your keyboard, and friends, now you want to change photo on your keyboard. So how to change photo on keyboard today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys one by one and step by step guys we will talk about. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys, you will have to show guys your keyboard. So I on your search bar, so guys keyboard will show here. So guys, what will we do, guys, left side icon tap here. Friends, you can see guys your theme settings. So guys click here and guys click on your custom theme, and friends click album photos guys, we will select any photo. So I will select the screenshot I have. So guys, you can select a photo like that and adjust it. Friends, you can see next option guys, tap here. Friends, you want to set guys any effects, like this keyboard effects guys, this bubbles and kisses and this heart. So guys, you can set it. Example guys, I will click at this heart. Friends, you can see save option guys, tap here. Friends, you can see this photo will change on my keyboard, and guys you can see I can use this new keyboard theme. So like that guys, you can change, and friends, you can see this heart effects keyboard, you can use it. So like that guys, we can change guys keyboard theme, and guys you can change your keyboard photo from here guys. Friends, you want to change any language, you want to input any language, so you can change also. And friends, you can change guys your font style also, you want to change, so you can change from here. Friends, you can see guys your size. So guys, keyboard side guys, you can adjust small and long, you can adjust and save right side. So you can use your keyboard setting like that in your Poco phone device guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. I hope friends you understood how to change keyboard photo in Poco phone device. So guys, you can change from direct here guys, your photo will save, which photo you like you can change. Bye guys, we will meet in the next video.